takes a couple of minutes before it starts printing.
So how long does it take to print off a nameplate?
10 minutes.
And how many do you get out of one cartridge?
120 to 150.
I said 40 earlier. Okay.
Right, that's the bigger plate now.
And how much does the cartridge cost?
32 pounds, I think, excluding discounts. It's the SRP price, excluding VAT. So this is pretty much what you get. So you've got in London, you've got your London case, or you've got a plain case, or you've got all kinds of designs. And this is the way we intend to do it. We ship it as such. This you can break out and you replace it with that. So you can
That's
still
for your
sell it.
install stuff.
Yeah.
So that's a quick install demo, this is what it can do.
Yeah, do you want a customised case?
But I'll show you the bigger app, which is still in development.
Oh, it's going.
Well, it's heating up.
Hello?
Yeah, that's okay. Oh wow. So that's going to be Laura's plate. So
Put your
else.
name over there. You get a case.
We can flip it.
Oh, that's not fair.
So we do want a Courage PC.
It's amazing.
Meg and Bridget have just come in. Christian, I think
Yep.
everybody else.
Send it to you if you want.
Does everyone
Christian, this
introduce
is-
themselves?
We
You
did a
don't.
break.
Chris, thank you. So now I'll show you the other app, which is, in my eyes, even cooler. It takes longer to print, but you can make anything. You can make potato headphones, you can use logos, you can use text, all of that. And this is all for a kiosk inside the store. So I will talk about the reference terms later. But this is pretty much the way it goes. So I pick an iPhone 5, for example, and I say I make a face. You know? This is how easy the app is. Yeah? So I can also remove this now. I can also say, well, you know, I've got a whole database of content and data. So this could be London, you know. Now, okay, I don't want it like this. There we go. And I go to
Resolution, they go on the screen. Can't get the app into the
Yeah. They're not talking to each other, it's better on the screen.
And I say, well, you know, I've been in New York, and I say, I'll make it a little bit thicker and see how it goes. No, that's not what I want. I want another font. Click it. So, suddenly I've made my own Laura Loves New York plate, and you've got yourself a complete new plate. Now, the beauty is that we will sell the bumper, and people can come back even to make new plates. And just fits in. It's just a little bit wider than this. Yeah. So, and these plates actually are being improved because they're slightly going to be better. They're going to be a little bit better. But the key here is that if you've got people designing their own stuff, they don't expect Chinese quality. They want to. So what do you think a large bumper cage, including the plate, should cost in your store? What may it cost?
Go on, you say
Something like that. Okay, let me put it like this. How much would you sell a bumper cage?
I don't get way around with it.
That's not going to be
No, probably just do that.
So what we did,
We'll customise it.
this will be 24 now. We could quite cover it for a complete personalized item.
I think the thing is interesting is just make it easy for people to start thinking and see where to start. Because you've got on the website, there's other things, isn't there? So there's
cool. But we're going to launch a whole array of apps that you can use and stuff. So for example, this is your signature on your name, and you put it. Are you sure?
Actually, you can do now, aren't you?
I'm there. I'm going to have to take off my Boss 80s Rog shirt. You did tops. You didn't. My mate did that.
But the whole thing is that, you know, there it is.
So how long was it to build up to do
Those
that
10
plate?
minutes.
5 minutes 41.
5 minutes 41?